If two or more fractions have different denominators, we sometimes need to change them into equivalent fractions so that they all have the same denominator. For example, we do this when we want to add or subtract fractions. Suppose we have 3/4 and 2/3. We want to change them into equivalent fractions so that they both have the same denominator. The new denominator must be a number that both 4 and 3 divide into exactly. Ideally, the smallest number that they both divide into. A good method to find this new denominator is to write out the first few multiples of 4 and write out the first few multiples of 3 and look for a number which is in both lists. 12 is in both lists, so is 24. But we really want the smallest of these numbers, so 12 would be the new common denominator. So I'm going to write 3/4 as something over 12. And I'm going to write 2/3 as something over 12. I now need to find the new numerators. So what do I multiply 4 by to get 12? 4 3s make 12. So I'll multiply the 4 by 3. This means I must multiply the top number by 3. 3 times 3 equals 9, so 9 is the numerator. Looking at the second fraction, what do I multiply 3 by to get 12? 3 goes into 12 4 times, so multiply the 3 by 4. This means I have to multiply the top number by 4. 2 times 4 equals 8, so 8 is the numerator. I now have two equivalent fractions with a common denominator.